In a landmark moment on May 14, 2025, President Draupadi Murmu administered the oath of office to Justice Bhushan Ramakrishna Gavai at Rashtrapati Bhavan, ushering him in as India's 52nd Chief Justice. Succeeding Justice Sanjeev Khanna, who retired on May 13 as the 51st CJI, Justice Gavai shared warm greetings with President Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, former President Ramnath Kovind, and esteemed dignitaries. Born on November 24, 1960 in Amravati, Maharashtra, Justice Gavai makes history as the first Buddhist and second Dalit Chief Justice following Justice K.G. Balakrishnan's tenure from 2007 to 2010. Holding a BA LLB from Nagpur University, he began his legal journey in 1985 practicing at the Bombay High Court and after 1990 excelling at its Nagpur bench in constitutional and administrative law. He served as standing counsel for Nagpur and Amravati municipal corporations, Amravati University, and prominent organizations like SciComm and DCVL. From assistant government pleader in 1992 to government pleader and public prosecutor in 2000, his rise was meteoric. Elevated as an additional judge of the Bombay High Court in 2003 and a permanent judge in 2005, he presided over benches in Mumbai, Nagpur, Aurangabad, and Panaji. Since joining the Supreme Court in 2019, Justice Gavai has been a judicial powerhouse, contributing to 700 benches and authoring 300 judgments, including pivotal rulings on the abrogation of Article 370, the 2016 demonetization scheme, and the high-profile Prashant Bhushan contempt case, balancing free speech with judicial integrity. As he embarks on his 6-month tenure set to conclude on November 23, 2025, Justice Gavai is poised to shape justice and uphold fundamental rights, making waves in India's legal landscape. Stay tuned to Salar Digital for more updates.